মেডিকেল টেকনোলজি জব মার্কেট ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে আপনাদেরকে স্বাগতম। অনেকদিন পর আবারও হাজির হলাম নতুন আরেকটি টিউটোরিয়াল নিয়ে।
iChroma T3 and T4 procedure granule type. Test materials. Cartridge. 2 detector diluent tubes. iChamber. The new iChroma T3 T4 product procedure changed because of the detection buffer. The procedure has been changed because we changed the liquid detection buffer into a dried frozen granule type detection buffer. The detection buffer doesn't contain liquid anymore but a granule. Thanks to this technology, the stability of T3 T4 has been improved. Procedure. Withdraw 300 microliter of diluent and dispose it into the detection buffer with granule. Wait that the granule is completely diluted. Dispose 75 microliter of sample into the detection buffer. Mix the sample mixture by shaking 10 times. Incubate the sample mixture 8 minutes at room temperature. After incubation time, load 75 microliter of sample mixture onto the cartridge. Verify that the lateral flow occurs on the membrane. Insert the cartridge into iChamber for an incubation time of 8 minutes at 25 degrees Celsius. After incubation time, insert the cartridge into iChroma 2 and run the test.